Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarrTravel.com, your luxury all-inclusive experts, and today I'm at the beautiful Secrets Divine located right in the middle of the hotel zone. Now this particular category is a honeymoon suite oceanfront. And I did want to point out that the honeymoon suite ocean view is the same exact layout. It just depends on where it is in the building itself. And also this comes in both the preferred and non-preferred variety. In fact, the top 7 floors of the resort are the ones where you're going to find the preferred club options, and I'm going to talk a little bit more about that as we go. Now let me show you what this beautiful category is all about. Just to the right is the entryway, and then to the left you're going to find luggage storage right there. This is the first of the closets. You've got hanging storage up above. You also have a steamer and you have more storage underneath. Continuing along to my left, you have more storage up and down here. You're gonna find your robes and your slippers. They do nightly turn down service, so of course they'll put those out for you right next to your bed. You've got more storage up and down here and hanging storage as well. Now follow me into the bathroom. The first thing that you notice is you have a really large double vanity. I really appreciate that. In fact, there's room all the way around the corner here. In the corner, you're gonna find your backlit magnifying mirror. You also have a stool underneath that you can pull out to sit and get ready. And then over here, you're gonna have storage underneath, including your scale and extra towels and your hair dryer right here. Now, the very first of the amenities that I wanted to point out that are upgraded is this right here. So it's an upgraded bath amenity kit that you get if you're in the preferred club variety. Just over here to the left, you have a light switch. Once again, they made it really simple throughout this entire space where you hit one button and you know exactly what you're turning on and off. Over here to the left, you've got a towel rack with extra towels up here. And then we have the large shower. Now this is a really large 2-person shower. You have one rainforest shower head up here, one over there. You've got more of those upgraded amenities, but one thing I wanted to point out is they have dual controls between the two of them, so it makes it really easy and convenient. As soon as you walk into the bedroom, you can see what this space is all about. It's really expansive and phenomenal, beautiful views in both directions. Now, before we get to the king size bed, I just wanted to point out your final storage right here. So you've got storage above and below, you've got your safe, and this is actually where they have their Nespresso maker tucked away. You've got those Nespresso pods, you can have them replenished as often as you like, and same with ice, of course. Now over here to the left, you're gonna find your mini fridge. It is fully stocked. You can have it replenished as often as you like throughout your stay. And then you have a few snacks over here on the left-hand side that are tied to the preferred club amenities. Temperature control is just here to my left, and then to my right, you've got the bedside. So I did want to point out that you have a plug right here. I always bring a USB splitter, so you plug it in once and you can use several different ones to charge. And then right next to it, you're going to find the tablet. This is a really great feature that they have here. Essentially, it replaces the program that they used to have, where you're going to have all kinds of information from the hotel guide and directory. You also can find information on the spa and dining. Maybe you want to see the dining times that they're open or one of the menus. But what I use it for the most is ordering room service directly through the tablet. And if you're in a preferred club room, you can even order from the pillow menu. So at the end of your large king size bed, you do have a sofa facing out directly at this oceanfront view for this particular room. You also have a nice table here, perfect place to have coffee or order from room service, once again with the views. Now continuing along to my left, you have a tub. Now this is one of the signatures of a honeymoon suite. In fact, it brings back my dad's favorite joke, which maybe they're gonna order from room service, the honeymooner salad, lettuce alone, no dressing. You know what I mean? But what this is about is a beautiful soaking tub with incredible views. So continuing along to the other side of the bed, you do have another plug right here in the lamp. You've got your remote. You also have the light switch right next to the bed. Once again, they made it really simple where they have different modes, but you can hit one button and turn off or on all of the lights. Now, one really interesting feature here is the TV. You may not have seen it as we walked around, and that's because it's located right in front of the bed. Now, they don't want to obstruct the amazing views that they have here, so you've got the TV that you just press down on the remote, and it's going to come right up, and then when you're done, you can put it down and get back to those views. Just next to the bed, you have this really comfortable lounger, big enough even for me, and better believe I'm going to take a nap right there. So now we're out on the massive wraparound terrace. I did want to let you know that these doors open up on both sides quite a bit, both here and around. So if you want that indoor-outdoor feel, you can definitely get it. Now this particular view is the oceanfront, and the reason you get it is this insane view. In fact, I think I can see 7 or 8 different shades of blue and turquoise out there. It's absolutely beautiful, and in my mind, it's what you think of when you think of Cancun. So out here on the patio itself, you've got a love seat over there to the left, and then as you continue along, you can see that it wraps around. Over here you have a table and chairs, perfect for some room service, maybe coffee or a cocktail. And continuing on, you're also going to have a single chair and another table. It is important to know that in order to get the breeze and the views, they have all of these partitions are this way throughout the entire resort. Now keep in mind, earlier I mentioned that this is in multiple views. So right here we're in the ocean front, and if we were in the ocean view variety, we'd actually be on the back corner of the resort. But what's great about that is on this side, the wraparound side, you definitely can see those ocean views, and then you get these really big views of the lagoon. Now the ocean front, you're gonna get those sunrise, and the ocean view in the back, you're gonna get those really beautiful sunset views as well. Now I also mentioned that this comes in a preferred club and a non-preferred variety. The layouts are identical. The big difference is that the preferred club are on the top 7 floors of the resort, so you get these bigger, more sweeping views, and you're also gonna get that private check-in with your butler. Now they do have several butler services that are included, maybe not the full English butler service that you'd be used to, but it is a really nice upgrade. But what you really want the preferred club upgrade for here is the incredible preferred club rooftop pool. Now we have a full video that shows the tour of every single space at this resort. I recommend that you check it out. But that is a really big upgrade. And then throughout your entire stay, you're gonna find there's lots of little upgrades that come with that preferred club variety. So you're gonna have a great time either way, but quite a few of our guests really prefer that option. So when you're ready to book this beautiful honeymoon suite or any suite at Dreams or Secrets, reach out to Harr Travel. We are your AM Resorts experts. We know the spaces inside and out, and we know that we can work collaboratively with them and you to create the vacation of a lifetime for you and your friends at an incredible value.